elements are all too beneficial. They're all on your side and you're blowing the whistle. You're waiting at the bus stop for your topless lady. You're picked up and you talk shop and don't accept no maybes. You're like an icon, like a fearless firefighter. At night, hide in the closet, you turn into a writer. Songs must be written so we don't forget them. So sharpen your ears and tune into what happened. I walked slowly along Market Street, headphones and all, I was moving to the beat. Exhausted from the heat, I meant to shop for ice cream. But when I turned and stopped, I heard a damn loud scream. Some kid with the skateboard had almost been run over. The driver in the car seat was heating like a bulldozer. Old lady started yelling, came all out of nowhere. I thought I'd fire back, but I wasn't even prepared. Heard another noise. This time it was metal. The beamer in the back was busy, didn't hit the pedal, and when it finally hit, it was all too late. Crunching car bodies made me contemplate. What have I gone out, not even thinking about what I was doing? I left the oven on, I knew it. One day it would happen, so I rushed right home. I found a burning basement, how bright the fire shone. I sat on the curb, on the other side of the road, dreaming of taking all my shit and living on a boat. I sat on the curb, on the other side of the road, dreaming of taking all my shit and living on a boat.